The census is one of the most important things you can do to help your community at this time. Getting an accurate count of the number of people in Perry County allocates enough resources from the federal government for everyone.
Hello, I'm Scott Alexander, Perry County Judge Executive. The federal government uses the census to determine how they're going to do their funding for the next 10 years. It's very critical for water expansion, for wastewater treatment, for roads, for all the infrastructure, for job growth. I urge each and every one of you, take the time to fill out the census. Your number does count.
For the 2020 census, most of Perry County was designated as a location for in-person interviews. The COVID-19 pandemic has halted all in-person census collection, which means that many of us won't be counted. The good news is that you can complete your census online. Just go to my2020census.gov to complete your census without needing your census number. If you were not sent a census packet, just click that you do not have a census ID. Select if you were living in the United States on April 1st, 2020, and you will be prompted to put in your address. Once you have confirmed your address, you can start your census. Enter basic information such as your name and number. Then enter the number of people in your household and their names. Confirm who was in your household on April 1st. Confirm whether you own, rent, or live in a home owned by another person. And confirm who owns or rents the home. Answer some basic questions about each person in your household, such as gender, date of birth, ethnicity, and race. Then confirm that the people in your household won't be counted anywhere else. And that's it. Completing your census can take as little as 2 minutes. If you have any problems, you can also complete by calling the number on the screen. Be counted because you count.